Today's washing machines offer more than just cleaning clothes. Many models include Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to start and monitor cycles remotely through a smartphone. When searching for a new washing machine, you might come across additional features such as cycles, dedicated to removing allergens, or built-in faucets for pre-treating stains. Although these features aim to simplify laundry tasks, they can add more options to consider during your shopping process. To assist you in your decision-making, we've outlined the top 5 washing machines, along with their key features and tips, to help you select the best one for you. Number 5. Black & Decker Portable Washer. If you're seeking the best compact washer, take a look at the Black & Decker Portable Washer, which we believe is the top choice in the portable washer category. Though it is just 0.9 cubic feet in size, it offers useful features such as an LED digital display, cycle status light, and a top lid viewing window. It includes 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, rapid, normal, and soak. The wash speed and temperature are fixed, providing only one option for each, so you can only wash your clothes with cold water. You have a selection of 3 water levels with a maximum spin speed of 765 RPM. The washer also comes with a drain hose and quick connect sink adapter. A 1-year limited warranty is provided with your purchase. Number 4. GE Ventless Electric All-in-One Washer-Dryer Combo. This GE model serves as both a washing machine and a dryer, making it an excellent space-saving option for your home. Instead of dealing with a load of wet clothes, just leave your laundry in the machine until the full cycle is complete. Despite its functionality, it only measures 23 inches deep and 25 inches wide, allowing you to install it in almost any space. No vent is required for operation, so you can place it under a counter, in a closet, or any other tight area. Additionally, you don't need to manually add detergent or fabric softener because the automatic dispenser takes care of it during the cycling. The machine determines the appropriate drying cycle based on the load you've washed, simplifying the process to just folding and putting the clothes away when done. The steam wash feature penetrates fabrics to remove stains effectively without causing harm. A sanitized cycle uses high temperatures to eliminate bacteria and household allergens. If you forgot to include something in the wash, simply pause the cycle, unlock the door, and add the item. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW7537AT. Our top choice for the best overall washing machine is the Electrolux ELFW7537AT, known for its adaptability and functionality. On laundry day, this washer excels in all aspects. Users found it user-friendly and appreciated its spacious capacity, comfortably accommodating duvets. The distinctive pod dispenser ensures even distribution across the load. The washer offers numerous cycle options, including sanitize, eco-temperature, and steam. It operates quietly, even during the final spin, making it ideal for running cycles late at night. The reversible door is a convenient feature worth noting as well. As for performance, the washer excels at removing stains, even persistent ones, thanks to its solid soil level option. While the price may seem high, especially considering the lack of smart connectivity, the overall features and performance make it a worthwhile investment. Number 2. LG 4.5Q FT Stackable Smart Front Load Washer. Although appearance isn't the most important factor when choosing the best washing machines, the LG Stackable Smart Front Load Washer stands out with its stylish black steel finish and rose gold accents. It offers intelligent washing features, utilizing 5 jets to spray clothes from different angles to speed up the cleaning process for large loads. With various options, such as a steam function and specific cycles for bedding and towels, this washer can handle a wide range of laundry types. Sorting clothing before washing is unnecessary because this smart washer uses AI technology and sensors to identify fabric types and select the ideal wash setting. Its allergenic wash cycle employs steam to remove up to 95% of dander and allergens from your garments, and is certified by the Allergy and Asthma Foundation of America. At 30-25 inches deep, this stackable washer from LG is compact enough to fit into most closets, making it easy to pair with your dryer if you have the stacking kit, which must be purchased separately. Despite its 4.5 cubic foot drum capacity, this washer can accommodate your largest and heaviest laundry loads. By syncing your washer to your smart device using the ThinQ app, you can control your washer remotely, monitor laundry status, and receive updates on energy and water usage. This washer is backed by a 10-year limited warranty and has been recognized as one of the most energy efficient by Energy Star, indicating it uses less energy and water compared to similar models. Number 1. Samsung WF45A6400A. The Samsung WF45A6400A is an advanced washing machine with smart features. The AI-powered smart dial suggests wash cycles based on your preferences or allows you to customize your own programs. With 24 cycles, there's a setting for every laundry need, including a steam sanitize wash, activewear, and even a self-clean setting, which reminds you to run it every 40 washes. This washer is app-enabled, so you can control and monitor it from your smartphone, and it is stackable too. The only potential downside is the maximum spin speed of 1,200 RPM, which is lower than the average and may leave your laundry slightly wetter than expected. Beyond that, the design is well executed, with an uncluttered control panel that's easy to navigate. So that wraps up our list of the best washing machines. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which washing machine you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. And that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. If you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later. Thank you.